The next chart I'd like to take a look at would be the GDP per capita and region chart. And what I'm going to have here is going to be two key pieces of information. I'm going to see the GDP per capita for each of my three countries, in this case, the world and the United States that everyone has, and then for my sample project, India. I'm also going to have this trend line here for the world consumer class. And what I did to get this information was I went over to the economic tab, and I'm using this information down below. And what I did is I selected basically box F9 in this case, all the way on over to H11. And actually H12, let me check that real quick. And I was able to make a graph pretty simply. I went to the insert chart, and I chose again the combo chart. It looks something like this. What I did, of course, then is I go in ahead and I put in my title, I put in my labels and everything like that, and I can customize the color, insert it to its own sheet. When it's all said and done, what I want to see is going to be something like this. I want to see a proper title, again, capitalized and spelled correctly. I want to see that my key and legend has the information as appropriate. I've labeled money, and I've labeled region. And I clearly have this bar, this trend line, comparing the world consumer class to GDP per capita. And remember, what world consumer class means is that basically people are spending money beyond simply surviving. So if you're above the line, you're kind of ahead of the game. If you're below the line, you're not quite really getting what you need just to be living from day to day. So please make sure you have your chart set up the same way. Go back and select the appropriate rows or columns as appropriate and make sure things are labeled correctly and that you've also labeled the tab down on below. Thanks for watching.